Placement is everything. Warning message. This is a 1-minute video showing you the proper shot placement of a .22 caliber air rifle loaded with a 14.3 grain bullet going 800 feet per second. It can take down a raccoon. Here we are in slow motion. The shot that is placed just in front of the ear of the raccoon, you can see it fall to the ground. You can also see seconds later after hitting the ground, it lays there motionless. There it is, motionless. Remember, take your time when you're aiming. Don't force the shot. You'll only injure the animal. Take a moment out to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.